be back in the 80s, not necessarily upper 80s, but I think most of the rest of this week will feature highs in the 80s. The piece that's messing with us today is this, the cloud cover. We're socked in the clouds with this slow-moving system moving by to our south. It could be worse. There are going to be some areas in southern New England today that probably find 4 inches worth of rain, and I'm not exaggerating that at all. This is a very slow-moving pattern. But for us, it's sort of nuisance showers here and there on and off with a brief downpour at times. And I'll show you the current radar coming up. These are our current temperatures with some areas pushing toward the mid-70s already. You see the Mesonet site in East Aurora, down around Clymer as well, already at 75, same in Springville, and up in Albion. So the push is going to be to get upper 70s for most areas to near the 80-degree mark, and at times these little showers roll through, and in some cases they don't do very much at all, but it's enough to slow down how quick we'll actually warm up. So there's our current wind. I think throughout the day this will slowly trend more toward the east. That in general is a very warm wind direction for places like Buffalo and Grand Island and down toward even Angola, so that may help kind of boost temperatures a little bit as well. About 6 to 12 mile per hour breeze as far as the velocity of that wind. And I mentioned this earlier, but the radar has been only pulling in a few shots. These are the latest shots that have at least come in, though. And you see two things on here. One is there's more rain in Lake Erie kind of working its way towards us, a little bit more heading toward the Niagara River. Batavia is dealing with some showers. And then this corridor down along the I-86 corridor from basically just outside Jamestown all the way to almost Olean is where some of the heavier showers are at the moment. We'll likely find that area a bit more persistent throughout the day. Some totals could end up closer to 3/4 of an inch, but it's going to be really localized, and I'll show you my expectations coming up. But this is the system itself. You see plenty of activity in Lake Erie, but not a huge amount over western New York. It's kind of these little pockets here and there. That's what the radar is likely to look like through most of the day. And then you head east and you see the more steady showers from Long Island to southern New England. So for us, it is likely that we'll deal with at least a few of the brief downpours, but this is not everybody all at once. This is one of those kind of pockets here and there. There's 2 in this afternoon. You get to 6, maybe 7, 8 o'clock tonight. We may still dodge a shower here and there, but I think even during events like the slow roll, the chance for showers will slowly fade. So if you deal with rain, I'd say it would be right at the beginning of the ride, and then that chance slowly works its way out. Early tomorrow morning before sunrise, we may find a brief little shower here and there. I think more than anything for Tuesday, it's that we start off with clouds and end up with sunshine as the day goes on, because finally that system gets far enough away. Temperatures will respond. We'll see some 80s. Wednesday looks nice as well with mostly light wind. And Thursday, a good stretch of the day is quiet, and we bring in some showers later on, mainly toward the evening hours, some shower chances. So for, even the Bisons back in town this weekend, I think the forecast looks pretty decent for the most part. We'll have to keep an eye on that Thursday, and then again Friday, chance for rain. This is what I mean about the showers. You see some places with hundredths of an inch, a couple areas like that, and then some that are considerably more, like the number down around Arcade or even Olean. So keep in mind today, I'm showing this more as a potential as opposed to this is exactly how much I expect for any of these areas, because it's going to deal with kind of where exactly some of those little or slightly heavier downpours line up. So mostly upper 70s. Keep in mind you'll dodge a shower here and there. That continues into the early evening hours tonight, and then we quiet down during most of the overnight hours. Get to sunrise, it's not out of the question for a brief sprinkle, but for the most part, our best chances during the daytime today. Quiet the next couple of days. Most of Thursday coming in quiet until you hit the evening hours, and then Friday we'll dodge a few showers as well. But you can at least see some of those milder temperatures. I think overall this week they peak Wednesday into Thursday. Jeff?